Hello friends, we are talking about our BJT. Yes, I could not finish the things that was planned for the previous session. So now, yes, now you are aware that how transistor is made up of. Last time I took some time to explain the effect of the voltage or the biasing on the width of depletion layer because that is very essential to understand the working of BJT. Uh, we have various kind of the configuration based on the which terminal is to be selected as common and out of remaining two, which one is to be treated as an input and which one is to be treated as an output. So based on that, we have three configurations. So I will talk about the same. Yes, I had planned to talk about the mode of operation, which could not discuss in the previous session. So I will go for that. The four different modes of operation, one that is the active mode, one more that is the saturation, one more that is the cutoff, and one more that is the inverted active mode. So what is the application if my BJT is in active mode? How it is to be properly biased? That is to be understood as a part of the mode of operation. We will have the understanding about the input and output characteristics of a BJT for various kind of the configuration. I will more talk about the common emitter configuration because that is the widely used. But why that is widely used, I will discuss as a part of the next session as well. We have a various parameters, as I said, like input impedance, output impedance, current gain, voltage gain, and bandwidth. So now, important thing is that for given voltage of the VCE, how IB and VB are related, that is the input characteristics for the common emitter configuration. For the given value of the IB, how we can relate the VCE with IC, that is the output characteristics of the common emitter configuration. We will indicate the various region like active region, cutoff region, and saturation region on output characteristics, and based on that at which point my transistor is operating. So based on that we can say that is in which mode and what is the application. So yes, to give the good time to make you more comfortable about the fundamentals, I'm lagging somewhat, but no issue, we will cover up for time to come. So in short, mode of operation, configuration of BJT, and the characteristics will be the agenda of the next session, and we will have three current gain for three different configuration, how we will relate like alpha in terms of beta, beta in terms of alpha, alpha in terms of gamma, gamma in terms of the alpha, beta in terms of gamma, and gamma in terms of the beta. So that will be the agenda of the next session. So please prepare, go through some literature, and we will proceed further. Thank you.